Hey guys, it's Daryl here from eFlexPlus and we're live at Shift Sector. I have Rob here and we recently installed the eFlexPlus kit into his Camaro. So Rob, after installing the kit on the Camaro and we're taking it to the dyno, how much horsepower gain did you see on that vehicle?
I think it was roughly right around 40.
40 on that. Okay, cool. So how is it running now?
It's running really good actually. I was surprised of the horsepower and the stuff that I got from it, especially with it being naturally aspirated. Being the fact that you usually see gains from forced induction with E85, but with this flex fuel kit, I've definitely noticed a big difference.
So what do you have planned for the vehicle now?
Right now I'm actually in the process of putting a GPI SS4 cam in it, and it's also getting a new transmission, which is a Turbo 400 with a 5500 stall from Cone.
Nice. So with all those upgrades, are you planning to take it to Shift Sector next year?
Quite possibly. Right now I really want to see what my quarter mile time is going to be. I'm really shooting for 10s at the moment, and I think even with this flex fuel kit I should achieve that.
So with the flex fuel kit installed, would you recommend to your team and to your group?
Absolutely.
Perfect guys, so you heard it here on the Camaro, 40 horsepower on the dyno. Find our website eFlexPlus.com. Follow us on Instagram on all our social handles at eFlexPlus. Stay tuned.